Are you ready to embark on this incredible journey where photos break the silence and speak to the heart? Join us as we uncover the endless possibilities of Vidnoz AI Talking Photo, where every picture truly tells a story. In this video, we are going to tell you how to make your own avatar and how to make your own photo talk like a real person. Visit Vidnoz AI. Link is also in description. After signing up, click on Tools button. Look, there are many options. Today, we check the AI Talking Photo. You can choose an avatar that you like. Also, you can generate avatar through AI. You can also generate an avatar using AI by simply write prompt. Look, these are the avatar that you generated through AI. Choose an avatar that you like and click on Next. Now enter the script in the script bar. Here you can also change the language or character. After all, click on Generate button. Looks, it's generating. Here is the video.
Welcome to AI Tools Corner, your gateway to the world of cutting-edge artificial intelligence technology. Explore the latest in AI trends, tools, websites, and tricks.
You can also upload a picture of your own and make it talk like a real person. Simply select a picture from your device. Input the script and generate. Here is the video.
Welcome to AI Tools Corner, your gateway to the world of cutting-edge artificial intelligence technology. Explore the latest in AI trends, tools, websites, and tricks.
Go and visit Vidnoz AI. There is 10% discount. Promo code AI Tools Corner.